Two-factor authentication (2FA) adds an extra layer of security to your Wise account. Follow these steps to enable it effectively. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open the Wise app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security or Privacy section to find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposing breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will typically have options such as using an authenticator app or receiving SMS codes. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen authentication method, confirm the changes. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your device to finalize the setup. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Wise account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure to protect your account further.